Born from the ancient art of Raku pottery, where simplicity and imperfection create beauty, Statson 553 carries the charm of the 16th century Japan. Each shade and crackle tells a story of fire and patience, of clay meeting flame and art finding its form. The surface embraces uneven glazes and natural variations, echoing the earthy tones of Raku's timeless charm. We bring this philosophy into the modern world, refining its essence with contemporary form and precision. Every curve, every texture is crafted to reflect harmony between art and utility. Statson 553 by Simpolo, carrying Japanese philosophy and modern design in perfect balance.